If you have been using 168 Chinese shopping app to source and ship products from China, whether you are new to the app or you have been using it for a very long time, and each time you are trying to chat with supplier on 168 Chinese shopping app, you always get a message look like something like this, which simply means that the account has been temporarily banned from communicating with supplier on 168 Chinese shopping app. How do you fix this particular problem and continue to chat with supplier on 168 Chinese shopping app? I'm going to walk you through step by step on how we actually fix this particular account, and this person here continue to chat with the supplier on 168 Chinese shopping app. So if this is interesting and what you really want to learn, consider to stay tuned to this video and see how you get it done. So let's get started. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 168, Taobao, pinduoduo, or IDFish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund a Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Like I said in the beginning of this video, someone reached out to me on my WhatsApp, just like what you see right here. Good morning, brother. Please, I need your help on 1688 ban. I saw your post on YouTube. Thank you. Then they further asked some questions right here. I have updated my app and still not working. Money. I'm unable to access my 1688. So here they have updated the app, still yet they could no longer send message to supplier. Now, how do we fix this problem? And this person here continue to chat with the supplier. Let me show you. This is the last chat right here. So you can see I said it is under review within 24 hours and message any seller, then get back to me. All right, thank you. You are welcome. Good morning, bro. It has worked. I can send message now. Thanks, bro. It's nice to hear this. So how do we fix this particular problem? I will show you step by step we follow to fix this problem. And this person here continue to chat with the seller on 168 Chinese shopping app. So I will start from the top right here because everything was done based on screenshots. Okay, so this is the first screenshot right here. So this is the first screenshot right here. Just follow along with the screenshot and then you'll be able to understand how we fix the problem. So this is the next one and another one right here, and instruction on how we actually fix this problem. So it is a stages of 1 to 3, just like what you see right here. So this is the stage 1, stage 2, and the last stage, which we eventually upload the proof that the account was banned and a text message to be put right here. And so once you submit your appeal, it's going to take you right here, and your appeal will be under review, and within 24 hours you will start messaging the seller back on 1688, just like what happened to this person's right here, and the issue will be successfully fixed. It's that simple. So if you still have question for me as far as this particular tutorial is concerned about 1688 message ban to seller, consider to put your question in the comment section down below. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure link on 1688, Taobao, or pinduoduo, or IDFish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.